During the exam, we check the basic technical elements of the vehicle. The initial task will be to check the horn. Simply press the horn. The rest of the items to show are under the hood. This is how we open the hood. Next, we need to unlock it. Here we have the windshield washer fluid. We check the level here, or we can wash the windshield by pressing the lever inside. This is where we top up the engine oil. We can use this dipstick to check the oil level. To do this, we remove the dipstick, clean it, and then reinsert it in the same spot. Then we remove it and read the level. The car must have had the engine off for at least 5 minutes and be parked on level ground. It should be between these 2 points, minimum and maximum. Here we have the brake fluid. The expansion tank has a minimum and maximum mark. The same applies to coolant. The expansion tank has a minimum and maximum mark, and the level should be between them. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. LAUTO Driving School.